Welcome to the Malibu Monk File podcast. Australian Cardinal George Pell finally found justice after Australia's highest court dismissed the convictions of the most senior Catholic cleric ever found guilty of child sex abuse. The High Court Chief Justice Susan Kiefel announced the unanimous decision of the 7 judges on Tuesday in the appeal of Cardinal George Pell. His release will be forthcoming from Barwon Prison, just outside of Melbourne. The former Vatican finance minister under Pope Francis was convicted by a Victoria state jury in 2018. He was charged with sexually abusing 2 13-year-old choir boys in a back room of St. Patrick's Cathedral in Melbourne in December 1996, while he was then Archbishop of Australia's second largest city. Cardinal Pell was subsequently also convicted of indecently assaulting one of the boys in early 1997. The 78-year-old clerk has served more than a year of a 6-year sentence. He was ordered to serve 3 years and 8 months behind bars before he became eligible for parole. The High Court examined whether the Victorian Court of Appeal was correct in its 2-1 majority decision in August to uphold the jury verdicts. In reviewing the case, the High Court determined that Cardinal Pell should never have been found guilty in the first place, especially since there was only one witness against him and no physical evidence. This far, there have been no comments from Cardinal Pell's accuser about the acquittal, and his identity remains secret according to Australian law when it comes to the victims of sex crimes. As for Cardinal Pell and where he will go upon release, that has yet to be determined, but it is speculated he will return to the Vatican, where he will assume some assignment as ordered by Pope Francis. Cardinal Pell's record will be expunged in Australia, and he will be removed from the enrollment on the Australia's Sex Offender Registry. Thank you for joining us today on the Malibu Monk File podcast.